Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. So, this is Bright Ajay, confidence, normally known as self confidence on the digital space. All right, so today we are going to look at our pizza flyer design. Very simple but stunning. All right, so without wasting my time, let's jump into our Canva, whether we use the application or we access it with the Google browser or any browser at all that you are familiar with. Okay, now I will open my Canva. This is the flyer, pizza flyer we are going to design. You see, it's very simple but stunning. All right, now let's quickly go for our plus sign. I keep telling you, no matter how your Canva looks like, yours will never be different from me. So when you are watching the video, take your time, follow the video well so that you'll be able to come up with a very good design. All right, so just tap on the plus sign, then now you customize the size. Now there is an update in the application, so you may not see a customize itself. So but this icon over here representing the customize, so just tap on the icon and then you customize a size 3200 by 3200. All right, now you tap on create new design as usual. As you know, now this is your working background. Actually, I will advise you to upload the original flyer here, then you flip to your left side, you look on it so that you can be able to finish your work early. But since I'm already having the project there, I will just go and then we look on it so that we do the same. Now I will just go to the other side. Okay, so you just go for color, or you tap on the background. Just tap on the background like this, working background, then you see this color icon. Tap on it and then you change the color to deep red. The color code I actually use for the deep red is actually GB 1313. GB 1313, that's the color code I use. I'll go for upload. We are now setting for the background itself. I'll go for upload and then bring in the white background. Okay, the transparent white background. Now bring it here. See what I'm going to do. This is what we use to crop. This icon is what we use to crop this icon, and these edges, the edges over here, is what we use to enlarge or expand. Do you understand? All right, so I will just hold the middle like this. I'll move it to the corner here and then I will enlarge it. Okay, I will enlarge it to the rectangular shape so that it will be filled up with the red, or will be middle of the working bag. Now let me actually upload our necessary items. So I'll go for upload and I'll bring in this leaf. Okay, the leaf, rotate it like this, rotate it, this icon, use this icon to rotate it. Now send it here. Okay, send it inside. You get me? Send it inside like this, send it inside like this. Now leave it like that. Go for upload again, bring in this leaf. You get me? I believe I've shown you guys how to upload materials to your Canva. Hold this particular icon, rotate it like this also. Okay, send it here. Okay, let me crop. You can crop some parts of it so that you know how to manipulate your material. So leave it like this. Okay, leave it like this. Now let's go for text. Go for text. Okay, go for text and then you tap on add a heading. You type tasty in caps. Okay, tasty. Now when you bring tasty like this, don't leave it like that. Make sure it's at the middle of your project. We are going to give it a nicer font, so tap on the font and then you see they have done an update in the app. So you see this arrow, just tap on it, then you search for day, normal day. Okay, day, 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 then you tap on day. You choose day for the that font type. So the size I used was actually 250. Okay, 250. 250, that's what I used. Okay, 250, that's what I used actually for the project. Okay, so we are moving gradually. All right, so but I don't know nowadays, because of the update, things has now so tasty. Okay, make it either 250. Now make sure it's at the middle of your, you see Canva will give you attention of alignment. Now go for text again, okay, or better still, you can just copy the other one. Now this time around we are not going to type anything, just go for and the symbol representing and, this the one looks like 8, bring it here. Okay, change the color to white, but before that let's go for element. Then we bring in normal circle, bring the circle like this, change the color to red. We are not using so many fonts or so many elements here. Minimize it to a reasonable size as I am going to do. Okay, all right, bring the circle at the end part of the T. Okay, now let me show you one secret. Locate notch. This is what we use to move items in a smaller distances. You manipulate it well. Okay, manipulate it well. Now you tap on the end icon, you minimize it to a reasonable size, like let's say size 95 or something. Okay, I'll go for size, and then let's say size, okay, let's make it size 150. Okay, size 150 or 145. So size 145 will be okay. Let me check the size. Hey, it's too much. No, it's too much. 150. Okay, so 145. Yeah, 145. Make it size 145. And then you change the color. You see dark color cannot appear on dark background, you cannot see it well, so change the color to white. Okay, you can see that. Now go for text again, bring in add a heading, then you type delicious. Okay, delicious. Now this delicious, we are not going to leave it like that. Go for font type, tap on this arrow, then you search for dancing script, dancing, normal dancing. Okay, dancing script. Okay, dancing script. So the dancing script, when you tap on it, this is it actually, it will reflect there, then tap on it. Now bring it here, we are going to manipulate and maintain alignment here. Okay, we are going to be creative, you need to be creative. Okay, so I will minimize it a bit, minimize it a bit. Okay, minimize it a bit. All right, now let me check the color. Let's use the color red, you understand? So you can see that we are not using so many colors over here. Now we are left with the pizza, the word of it. So just copy this tasty, edit it, and then you type pizza. Okay, pizza. Now the pizza, minimize it. Okay, you can use the edges to minimize it to a reasonable size that you are comfortable with, you understand, comfortable with. So bring it here, go for notch, and then manipulate it in a smaller distances, because you can see that we are not actually okay. So delicious, tasty and delicious pizza. All right, go for upload again. Now bring in the pizza, manipulate it, slide it, use this icon to slide it a bit. Okay, slide it a bit, you can increase it. You can also close the size because the size, some of the size are not necessary. Okay, now bring it here like this. Okay, you can lock it up. Long press on it, you see this lock. You lock it up so that when you are doing your design or other necessary details, it will not distract you. So just go for test again, or better still, let's copy the day over here. Sorry, and copy, then you edit it. Okay, type order now, order now. Okay, the order now, we are not going to leave it like that. Let's minimize it to a reasonable size, like let's say size 90 will be okay. Now bring it here. Okay, go for element, bring in shape, this shape. Okay, then you close the edges small, we are going to change the color to white. You understand? I hope you guys are not being confused. Follow principles and follow instructions. So change this color to red, order now to red. Okay, bring it here. See what I'm going to do. You can long press on the order now. You see this particular select multiple. You tap on it, you select the multiples. Okay, you select the multiples, then I will move them together. You understand? I will move them together. Now you can see that. So I will just copy it again, and then I will go for edit. I will type my number or your client's number. So plus 23355174630. Now red cannot appear on red. Okay, so let's actually change the color to white. You can see that white. Let's minimize it to, let's say, size 70 or 80. Okay, so okay, size 80 I used, then size 80. Okay, size 80. So now bring it here, go for element, and then you search for phone icon. Choose the one without the pro sign because you are not on Canva Pro. Okay, you are not using the Canva premium account. If you have a premium, you can enjoy Canva well. So bring the phone icon here, then you manipulate it nicely. Okay, order now. Okay, so I will just go for, you see, your elements will not be big. One mistake beginners normally do is that they leave their elements so big, the icons and those stuff big. It's not advisable as a beginner. No, it's not advisable. So just go for upload again, bring in the car icon. This is the car icon. Minimize it to a reasonable size, bring it here. You see that we are checking alignment. Okay, bring it here, and then you copy this one. You see we are not using so many font type, only 3 types of font. Bring it here, and then you type we deliver to your doorsteps. Okay, to your doorsteps. Okay, to your doorsteps. Okay, we deliver to your doorsteps. Now just bring it somewhere here. Okay, and then the size, I think I use a size which is the 75. Okay, 75. I use a size 75. So make sure you also manipulate the same idea. All right, so just go for upload again, then you upload this check icon, bring it here, minimize it, then you bring it here. Okay, bring it somewhere here. Okay, so we are on course. We are actually done with this simple flyer bastoning. Right, bring the check icon here. That's all. So now just simple bastoning, you understand? We are just almost done. So left with one or two things. Just go for upload again, please. Go for upload. But before you are doing your project, make sure you upload the necessary elements. So I can long press on it and then select item. Okay, I can select the three of them, and then I will let me see whether it can be possible. No, it cannot be possible. So therefore just select them one by one. Go for upload, then you rotate it. Use this icon to rotate it like this. Minimize it a bit, bring it here. Go for upload again. Okay, you upload a paper, then you rotate it like this, you minimize it, then you send it up here. Okay, go for upload again, bring the onion, then you minimize also that one, then bring it middle side over here. So we are just done with this particular flyer design. So you just go ahead and then you download it to submit your project. So you can just do this for somebody who is giving you a project, then you take your cash fast, not less than 50 cedis. You can take it. Thank you very much. Once again, my name is Bright Ajay. So if you just download it, okay, just download it through these icons, and then that's all. Once again, my name is Bright Ajay Confidence, normally known as Say Confidence on the digital space. Thank you for following this video, and I will see you in other parts of the videos tutorial. Make sure you watch and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.